of helicopters, one iconic chopper stands out: the unmistakable whoop-whoop sound of its rotor, known to many of us. The Huey, officially known as the UH-1, has been a symbol of air mobility for decades, known for its distinctive shape and military heritage. The Huey first took flight in the late 1950s and soon became an icon in the military aviation. It can carry troops, evacuate wounded soldiers, deliver supplies, and even be armed with machine guns and rockets. The Huey became famous during the Vietnam War, where it played a vital role in transporting troops and rescuing the wounded soldiers. After its military services, the Huey found a second life in civilian roles. It's used to firefighting, search and rescue operations, and even as a tourist sightseeing helicopter. The Huey legacy endures with various models still in service today. It's a testament to its robust design and adaptability. So there you have it, the legendary Huey chopper,